Are you looking for the best camera drone? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the 5 best camera drone, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo with RC Motion 3 and Goggles N3. Stable transmission with digital transceiver. 4K drone for beginners. FPV flying. 3 batteries. Brand: DJI. Model name: DJI Neo 2. Special feature: omnidirectional obstacle sensing, gesture control, active track, selfie shot, 4K high-quality imaging, FPV flying. Age range description: adult. Color: Gary. Video capture resolution: 4K. Effective still resolution: 12 MP. Connectivity technology: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing just 151 grams and C0 certified, this compact drone features full coverage propeller guards for safer, worry-free transport and flight. Palm takeoff and landing. Gesture control. Enjoy easy palm takeoff and landing, plus intuitive gesture controls for hands-free operation and seamless flying experiences. Smooth and reliable tracking. Active Track keeps your subject in focus, while Apple Watch lets you view live feed, check flight status, or use voice control to adjust tracking. Easy moment capture with Selfie Shot. Snap memorable moments easily with Selfie Shot, allowing quick and convenient selfies anytime with just a simple tap. All-around safety and flexible flight. Fly confidently with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and enjoy versatile flight for safer, more dynamic aerial adventures. 4K high-quality imaging. Capture every moment in stunning detail with 4K resolution, delivering crisp, lifelike photos and videos every time. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249 grams. 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10-kilometer video transmission, auto return, wind resistance, 1 battery for 31-minute max flight time. Brand: DJI. Model name: Mini 4K. Age range description: adult. Color: gray. Video capture resolution: 4K. Effective still resolution: 12 megapixels. Connectivity technology: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. No registration needed. Under 249 grams, this drone with camera for adults 4K does not require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. 4K Ultra HD and 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting. Capture stunning moments in any light, sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage with this advanced drone with camera. 38 km/h level 5 wind resistant. This drone for adults has a stable flight even in level 5 winds. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI. Number 3. DJI Mini 3, DJI RC, lightweight 3X mechanical gimbal drones with camera for adults, 4K, 38-minute flight time, up to 32,800 feet, 10 kilometers, video transmission, vertical shooting, GPS auto return integrated. Brand: DJI. Model name: DJI Mini 3. Time. Age range description: adult. Color: gray. Video capture resolution: 4K. No registration needed, under 249 grams. FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. 4K UHD stunning imagery. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. Striking vertical videos are ready to share. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Extended battery life, if life, and can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 grams. Fly More combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. 38 kilometers per hour, level 5, wind resistant and 3-axis gimbal for stable. With its level 5 wind resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters.
Number 4. Drone with camera. Drone with screen on controller for beginners. Foldable remote control quadcopter with gesture control, 3D flip, 1-key start, emergency stop, 2 batteries, easier to use. Brand, Relidol. Model name, PK01. Special feature, adjustable. Age range description, kid. Color, PK01 screen control black 1. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Included components, instruction manual. Skill level, beginner. Video capture format, MP4. The PK01 drone's remote comes with a super handy built-in screen. No phone needed, so you can watch live HD footage and check flight stats right in your hands. An SD card is required to save images and videos, not included. Powered by tough brushless motors, this little flyer is strong, smooth, and built to last. With 1-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and even 360-degree flips, you'll look like a pro in no time. Ready for takeoff? Drone with camera. Equipped with a 1080p 80-degree adjustable lens, the drone not only assists you in catching every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective, but also is perfect for selfie. It can even be used to check the roof of a house or other hard-to-reach areas. You can enjoy the real-time HD pictures and videos via the remote screen and app. Automatically take photos/videos with gestures. First flight tip: choose a windless indoor space. Keep the altitude below 6 meters and the distance below 30 meters to help better practice and control the drone. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo DJI RC. Drones with camera for adults 4K, 3 batteries for 114-minute flight time, vertical shooting, 32,800 feet, 10 kilometers, video transmission, lightweight mini drone for beginners. Brand, DJI. Model name, DJI Mini 3. Special feature, 4K HDR video, compact, extended flight time, foldable, lightweight, wind resistant. Age range description, adult. Color, gray. Video capture resolution, 4K. No registration needed. Under 249 grams, FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. 4K UHD stunning imagery. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. Striking vertical videos are ready to share. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Extended battery life. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 grams. Fly More Combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. 38K HPL Level 5 wind resistant and 3-axis gimbal for stable. With its Level 5 wind resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.